Boy, do we have a fun STEAM activity for you today. All right, friends and family, welcome back. I'm Bree.
And I'm Jeanne.
And today we are going to discover,
Explore,
and experience STEAM. And today's topic, one of my favorites, is coding, Unplugged.
Why is it one of your favorites?
Well, I am the Code Club coordinator here at the library, so I love coding and I love working with kids to teach them how to code. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to do an Unplugged activity that teaches you all how to code with friends, family, or by yourself.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I'm sure my grandkids are going to love it, and I bet you guys at home are going to love it too.
All right, awesome. So let's get started. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need: tape or chalk to make a grid, tip, if you do have tile in your home, you can use that as well, index cards, whiteboard or something to write your code on, pen and marker, and something for obstacles. Today we are using toys, and family and friends to help you out. Okay, so in today's lesson, you're going to learn how to code your own game brought to life.
That sounds cool.
It's going to be awesome. So you're going to discover how to code unplugged without your screen. So we're doing no screen time, Steam time.
Explore the basics of coding.
And experience your game with a family member or friend. And as you execute your program.
Be on the lookout for STEAM vocabulary,
Coding,
program.
and debug. All right, first we gotta go get our supplies ready.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we are in our program closet. We are going to choose out some obstacles. And remember, obstacles are great to challenge yourself because you guys can rearrange them and then the coder has to code around them. So we're going to pick out 3 objects each. Let's go ahead and get started.
I like this guy. Yes.
All right, so we have our obstacles and we're going to go put them on our grid. All right, let's go. Okay, so we have our obstacles, so that's part of our supplies. You're also going to need index cards or something that you can make flashcards out of. You can even use a whiteboard because you are going to be writing your code on it. So right now we're just doing simple code. We're doing forward. We're also going to do turn left and turn right. And that is what you're going to use to direct your buddy to the finish point, okay? First thing you guys are going to want to do is make your grid. You can use whatever you have at home. If you have tape, you can make your grid with tape. If you're going to be outside, you can do it with chalk. Or if you have tile, you can also use the tile at your home. We decided to use these tiles we found in our storytime closet, and they actually have a secret message, so keep an eye out for that. And you're going to choose a start point and a finish point. So we already did. Our circle is our start point.
Okay, and the star would be our finish point.
Yes, and so we are going to place our obstacles wherever we want on the course. This is how you guys make it more challenging for whoever the coder is. So the more obstacles you put on it, the more that they're going to have to code around them. The less obstacles, the easier it's going to be. You can work your way up, and that's just how you're going to learn how to problem solve and debug. And that's going to be an important learning aspect of coding. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our obstacles down. Please don't use like your parents' like $100 vases or something.
Yes.
Use toys or something that you know your parents are not gonna get mad at you about, okay?
Good idea, Brew.
Yeah, I was like, oh please. So we're gonna go ahead and put ours down. I think I'm gonna put one here.
This guy's gonna go here.
Let me see. I think I'm gonna put one here.
Go there, and I'll go right here.
All right. So we have our obstacles in place. Remember, our start point is here, our end point is here. What do you want to be, coder or the human robot?
I'll be the human robot today.
All right, so Jeanne is our human robot. She's going to start here, and I will be the coder. So I'm going to code my program, and if there's any mistakes, which do happen, it happens all the time in coding, I'm going to have to debug them, and that's where the problem solving is going to come in. We're going to have to go back, check to see what went wrong, and then start over again, okay? All right, so you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, let's get started. The first thing I see, there's different options you guys can do. This is going to be up to you. She's facing this way, or if she's facing that way. So if she's facing this way, well, She can move forward 1. So we're gonna move forward 1. Put that down, okay?
Okay.
All right, well,
Now I have an obstacle, Bree. Then what?
so she's gonna turn left. So let me see. I'm gonna turn left. All right, so now she can move forward. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Let me see. So we got 1. Oh, not the right one. Move forward again. Let's see. I need another move forward. All right, so I have an option. I can have her turn right. I can have her go forward 2 more times and then turn right. Let's have her turn right, actually. I think that will make it a little more fun. So she's gonna turn right. She did that. All right, now we're gonna move forward. And now she's gotta turn left. So we're gonna turn left. And now all that's left is she has to move forward 2 times. There we go.
And I'm done.
Now let's try it again, see if I can do it a different way without any mistakes.
Okay.
Let me write my code and then I'll have you. Let's see if I can get through my entire code and then walk you through it.
Okay.
So we're gonna, I would say she can move forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna read it to you and let's see if I got it right.
Okay. Start this way.
Yep, so you're gonna move forward, turn left.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so this is where I have to go back and debug my program. So instead of turn left, she should have turned right. So,
Okay.
I have some extras. I'm gonna have to change that out. And we actually have to start from the beginning because when you code, your program starts all the way from the beginning.
All right.
All right, so
I'm ready.
move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward.
And I'm done. Yippee!
Awesome, so that is how you code and bring your game to life. So I think
Okay, Bree, that was a really good idea. I can totally see my grandkids doing that.
awesome, I'm really happy to hear that. I really hope you guys try it out. It's a really fun activity and you're learning a really awesome, important skill that's gonna help you out in the future. So this is a skill that is really building in a lot of fields. So if you guys can learn it now, it's going to be so much easier when you're older. And today you also learned the following STEAM vocab words.
Coding,
Method of giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task.
program,
Set of instructions that a computer follows in order to perform a particular task.
and debug.
Identify and removes errors from computer hardware or software. And we did all 3 of those in our game today. So we coded our program that allowed us to get our human robot from point A to point B, and we debugged along the way so that it would work. All right, did you guys find the secret message we had? Can you see it? We have C-O-D-E-C-L-U-B, which is Code Club. That's what I run here at the library. So if you guys are interested in learning more about coding, you can contact me at my email and I can get you all set up. Even though we are temporarily closed, you guys can still code at home and keep learning. And once we open, you can come join us at Code Club here at the library. Well, we had a lot of fun today.
We sure did.
And we hope you had a lot of fun today as you discovered how to code Unplugged
Explored basic coding.
and experienced a fun coding game with your family and friends. Okay, that's it for today.
Let us know how you liked it.
Hope you try it at home, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.